Hello, it's Linda here again. I'm just dropping in with another quick tip for your scrapbooking, and this one is to do with bumpy stuff. So if you like putting a bit of bumpy stuff on your page, just a quick tip for you is to make sure that if you're doing a double page spread, you don't have the bumpy stuff on the same location on both sides of the page, because it doubles the thickness of your page, if you see what I mean. So for instance, if you've got something in the top right hand corner, don't put it in the top left hand corner as well, because when the album closes up, you'll have two lots of bumpy stuff opposite each other. So if that makes sense. So for instance, on here I'm putting some buttons, just some very small buttons on. So there's a tiny bit of thickness to them. But I'll make sure on the other side of my page that the buttons are not in the middle of the page. They are on the edge of the page. And that means when it closes up, it won't make the album extra thick. So I hope that helps you. See you again soon. Bye bye.